This is a 2012 Infiniti M37. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6. Plus, having just come off lease, this Infiniti is in like-new condition. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, a sunroof, heated seats, xenon headlights, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, leather seats, side curtain airbags, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Thank you for considering Off Lease for Less for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 3015 Exchange Court in West Palm Beach.